how to make buildings quake safe, that is shaking safe. Okay, so here you can use the mud or the timer at the prone areas, like in Japan also, where a lots of earthquakes comes daily. On daily basis, houses are made up of wood only, and that is too soft wood. Okay, so that they will get, if they continuously getting earthquake, so that they can keep themselves safe and their children safe, and even also lots of money losses should be there. Fine, so you can use a mud house instead of the brick house. So cupboards or anything that is heavy, so should be attached to the wall so that they do not fall. Fine, so you can do that also. Hire qualified architects or engineers so that if we are getting earthquakes, so that no kind of line of wire can be the wall should not be fall off, or any kind of wire should not get detached, so that you will get fire inside the house. So you should, while making a house, you can hire a high qualified architects or engineers. And buildings must have fire lightning equipments in working order. Okay, it should have in all houses, so that not even during the earthquake time, even if we get fire, so you should have any kind of fire equipment so that we can easily get safe. Fine, so here are some ways that can make the building safe. Now, moving forward, the effects of the earthquake. So what are the effects? The deform of the ground surface, as you can see in the diagram, such kind of deformation become in the ground surface because I have told you that there is a layer crust, and that the plates in the earth crust get shifted. They may get apart, they may get collide, they may get rubbing each other like this and like this too. So the deformation would be there because all these things are made up of stones and muds only. Fine. The next effect of the earthquake will be the damage to towns and cities. See, during earthquake, this kind of scene you can see, and you can search on Google too. Lots of pictures of earthquakes are there on the Google, and that too hazardous. See, lots of lives can cause their lives to be gone. Okay, this is very dangerous. Now, the third thing, that is the devastating fires. So during earthquake, we can get, like in factories of oil, so you can get a spark in the oil refineries, and that oil refineries will eventually get blast, and that will cause a lots of devastating fires, and also lots of lives may lose their lives also. Fine. So what are the protection bases we can take during earthquake, as we have seen in lightning too? Okay, so if we are indoor students, we can hide ourselves under the table. Okay, because the table should also be so solid that you can protect ourselves. Like eventually you have to protect your head part only. Fine. So hiding yourself under the solid thing can even protect your self and the other members also. You can advise them that you should keep yourself safe during the earthquake like this, so that anything can fall on the table, not on you. Okay, so this is the way. And you can hide yourself inside the cushions also. Like cushion is too soft, and that would need some time to hit by the bricks or any kind of hard surfaces. So the cushion will make them in a cozy manner. Fine. So you will not get hard hit. You will get a soft hit that you can tolerate. So, and stay away from the big buildings. Okay, so this is the one reason that the building may collapse, the building may fall off. So you can keep yourself safe during that thing too. So what we can do during the outdoor time? Okay, we can protect ourselves during the earthquake if we are outdoor. So if you are in bus or a car, you should not come out of it. Okay, you can keep yourself safe, so that if you are coming outside at that time, and at the moment, if a building collapse and some kind of heavy material may fall off on you, so you cannot protect yourself at that time. So you should keep your head combine and make yourself fix inside that vehicle, so that if something may fall, it may fall on the roof of the car or the bus, not on you. Okay, and the second thing is, if you are in the open field, find a spot where you can away from the building. You should not be like too close to the old building. Old buildings are easily get devastated and easily may fall. So you should actually go inside the on the outdoor ground area or any kind of park that is away from any kind of building. So students, this is the thing that we have seen, and it is very interesting chapter. Some natural phenomena we have seen, lightning, earthquake, various measures to protect ourselves during these natural calamities. So study hard and bring the MCQ part also. That will gives you a solid idea that whatever you have read in this chapter will again give you a confidence to do question answers, and you will get to know more knowledge and your concept will become more clear.